Another interesting debate is emerging. Read the amount of money being spent on high school sports programs in Jamaica. Calabar and now Kingston College have all-weather running tracks that cost tens of millions. These schools and others spend many, many millions on preparing for champs every year. The elite manning and the Costa Cup football programs also cost tens of millions of dollars every season. So we're talking combined hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars every single year being spent on running races and playing football matches. While the same schools have inadequate and under-equipped science labs, libraries, and other vital support systems needed for the school's core function of educating the students. Now, first of all, the majority of the funding for school sports is private funding from alumni associations. People in the wider world make their money and decide to sponsor their alma mater, manning cup program, or the track team, or the installer running track, or whatever. Now, who is to tell those people in what area they should contribute to their schools? And next thing, people don't understand the value of sports to a school community. It is immeasurable when it comes to the pride, confidence, and the profile of the school. That is why the alumni choose to spend their money on sports and not on the science lab. And as it relates to the deficiencies in the school system, what happened to the taxes when we pay? Me must pay my excessive income tax and education tax and GCT and all of them tax there, and then turn around and equip the lab and buy chalk for the blackboard out of my pocket? No, sir, not in my cabinet.